Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Tecno Pova Neo 2. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and then you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now click Continue, and here you have to enter your screen lock passkey. Now you have to scroll down, and here you have to check these two checkboxes and click Delete account. Now your account should be removed, so let's now open Google Play Store and click Sign in. Now you have to enter your passkey again, and here you have to enter your email. Then click Next, and as you can see my account is deleted, and to recover it I have to click Next. Now I have to enter my password and click I agree. Now click Accept. And as you can see, my parental control is bypassed and my account is recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.